In photography styles, we're able to look at the different photography styles here. And typically I like to keep mine in vibrant. I love vibrant. Vibrant is the one I always go to first. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? In this bonus lesson, we're gonna go over the settings I use for my iPhone when it comes to photography. Now we have the screen recording here, and we're going to go to settings, bam, just like that. And then we're gonna go down to the camera app. It should be right here. Press that on camera. And then we are going to go to preserve settings. Make sure camera mode is checked. And I typically like to keep all these unchecked except for portrait zoom and live photo. I like to keep those checked. Those are my settings for that. And in formats, I typically go at most compatible over high efficiency. The reason why is because in high efficiency, when you take photos, it automatically adds HDR to it, so whites look whiter, and sometimes I don't want that. So with most compatible, it makes it as a JPEG and makes videos as a H.264. And we'll get into videography in our videography lesson, but for photography, it makes it as a JPEG, which allows for you to just take pictures and just post it. However, if you want to do in high efficiency, that's really good for photo editing, which is something that we learned today. And in photo editing, once you take a picture in high efficiency, you could drop it into the Lightroom Classic. The colors will be flatter, so it allows you to have more playtime. But when it comes to using my phone, I like to just take a photo and just send it. So I always keep it in most compatible. When it comes to photo capture with Pro Raw, I typically just keep it in most compatible because it's easier to send. I do take a lot of photos and videos on this and send it to clientele. I may experiment a little bit more with the Apple Pro Raw, but as of right now, I keep it on most compatible, and that is it. So now let's double check everything else. I think all this is for video. Let's see. Yeah, all these are for video. We want to make sure we have scan QR codes on. Show detected text, make sure that's on too. It really helps with some accessibility. Composition, I keep grid, I keep level, and I keep view outside the frame checked. I don't like the mirror front camera. I've never been a fan of it. Prioritize faster shooting. We keep that checked. Lens correction, got that checked. And macro control, I have that checked as well. In photography styles, we're able to look at the different photography styles here. And typically I like to keep mine in vibrant. I love vibrant. Vibrant is the one I always go to first. So those are my camera settings when it comes to photography on my iPhone. This is the iPhone 13 Pro. So you guys can copy the settings I have here, and you guys can apply that to your iPhone. So when you take photos, you know that you're doing it the YAK way. I hope y'all really enjoyed this course. So keep in mind that this course is live, so I may be adding more things to it in the future, which is cool. And you guys will receive free content going forward. Whenever there's more to add, I will add more to this course. So, you know, these are just the beginning stages, right? I hope y'all enjoyed these courses, man. Make sure if y'all are interested in the videography course, make sure y'all go ahead and do that too, because that is going up, man. I love videography. That's actually how I started. Anyways, I don't want to take up too much of y'all time. I hope y'all enjoyed all of this. I hope that you learned something valuable so that you can take it to the next level. My goal is to give you the foundation and you build upon it. So this is YAK, and we'll be seeing y'all in a videography lesson. So catch y'all later.